In this video, we will see how to clip a vector layer with another polygon layer. First of all, let's import a polygon vector layer. Let's go to browser and import a vector layer. Okay, now we will do some symbology so that it will look better. Go to properties, then symbology, and then categorized. We can do the category based on name and classify, apply. Okay, now we have three colors for three countries. Now let's make another polygon layer. Go to layer, create layer. We can make a temporary scratch layer for this example. So, clip layer. Geometry type should be polygon. And okay. Now click add polygon and circle from 2 points. Let's click on this and make a let's cover 3 of those. And let's make it transparent. Click on the save button and stop editing. We want to clip this layer using our clip layer. To do that, go to processing toolbox, and under the toolbox you can go to vector overlay and then clip. Double click on this. Now we have two options, one for input and one for overlay. The input layer should be the layer we want to clip, and overlay layer should be the polygon that we want to use to clip the other layer. So clip layer, and if we want to save, we can save here, but for now we can leave it empty so that it will create a temporary layer. Let's run this. Close. Now you can see that we have successfully clipped this part of the polygon layer using our clip layer. Let's copy the symbology and paste it here. So it looks similar. Now if we close our previous country boundary layer, then we can see our output.